Okay, we have a big problem on our hands and we could use your help. We've got this nice area that we're trying to grow some plants in, but we don't know how many plants to put in there. It looks like there's some that are really densely packed over on one side, and then there's another area where there's absolutely nothing happening. So we need to work together to figure out exactly how big this thing is and how far apart the plants are going to go. So we're going to learn using some awesome mathematical equations and see if we can get ourselves to have a beautiful garden when we're done. To figure out the area that we have to work with, we're going to have to take something we know little about and dig deeper into it. Let's jump into the chalkboard. Our flower project is shaped in a geometric figure called a semicircle. You may hear a familiar word in there. That's right, the semicircle is a combination of the word semi, which means half, and circle, which is a geometric figure. You know. In order to find the area of a semicircle, we need to recall some basic geometric terms. The circumference of a circle is the total distance around the perimeter. The diameter is the distance of the circle from point to point across the center of a circle. About that. The radius is half of the diameter. How about that? Lastly, there's a funny word that many of you like to eat. It's called pi. Nope, not that pie. Pi, in reference to geometry, is a constant number that we use to help us measure the area of a circle. It is commonly used as 3.14, but actually extends to an infinite series of digits. What are we gonna do? Think I know. Our first step is to measure the distance around the perimeter to determine the area. now we've planted our garden and we've got everything a good 1.5 inches apart, and you'll see already we've got some color joining our garden. It's going to be beautiful thanks to everything being equally spread apart and all of your wonderful help making this a fantastic garden to come.